rocking my G-Shock. I'm 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 rocking my G-Shock.
What's up, YouTube? Got a great review today. We're doing the special edition, the MTGB1000TF-1, which is part of the Magma Ocean series G-Shock collection. Now, this watch here is absolutely stunning, and we're gonna go into complete details of the watch itself. I'm not gonna touch too much on the features because I've done a review and I've done a walkthrough of the MTGB1000. So I'll just touch on some of that information, but mostly going to talk about the aesthetics, the design of this watch, because it is one that requires, or I think it deserves recognition. So here's the box, the 35th anniversary logo on there in the back. Excuse me, on the top. You can see it's kind of glossy on the top there. It's got Casio on the side. Excuse me. Some I don't know, information on the side there. But yeah, let's open this baby up. Here's the model number. Here's the box that also comes with the watch. MTGB1000TF-180R. That's domestic release, not the Japan release. This watch was released in Japan and it made it to the US, but not in large quantities. So this watch is a limited production, limited quantities, and therefore very collectible. On this watch, you'll see you have the 35th anniversary. Always do that. It never fails. This got the special anniversary, 35th anniversary casing. So which I think it's absolutely stunning. It's got this brushed metal looking gold case. 35th anniversary there on the top. On the side, you come with your manual and some warranty card information. Nothing special there. But devil is in the details with this watch. So here's a nice, cool looking pleather case, which is cool because they started coming up with these recently. It wasn't common for them to release these boxes. You had your standard boxes with your regular tin, and then recently in 2018, I think it was, they started producing these beautiful gold cases or displays or boxes. Let's open her up and I'll show you the watch. Inside of the box, you have the 35th anniversary logo once again. Once again, that's the 35th anniversary designed by Hayes. If you guys didn't know, Hayes designed that logo, which he's done a lot of the artwork for G-Shock and Casio. So inside the watch, you will see here, comes a nice little pillow. Not much there. Now this watch is used and it has been sized, so just be mindful of that. But just thought I'd show it to you guys anyway. Here we go, guys. There she is in all her glory. The MTGB Magma Ocean 35th Anniversary Series G-Shock watch. Now, let's talk about some of the details of this watch. It is absolutely stunning. So you have this beautiful sapphire glass crystal here, and it's got this black on red, on rose gold, and gold details. Now let's go through that a little bit. We have this beautiful black band, composite band there. Then you have this gorgeous rose gold details on the watch. Get a little closer here. Hopefully I don't drop the watch. There we go. Get some lighting in there. There we go. Rose gold accents on the lugs on the bezel there. Then you have this beautiful 3 and 5 stars, 3 and 5 for the 35th anniversary. That's what that represents. And then on the first buckle there, you have the 35th anniversary in kind of a ghost silhouette looking design. Okay. Then you have G-Shock on the back there with this nice little clasp, black kind of to hold clasp thing. You have a cool looking black button on here for the mold. Then you have this gorgeous rose or gold crown on the side there. Very cool. All right. Now on the other underside of this watch, you have this cool red, which is it's cool. It's so cool. So you can see it when you wear it, when it kind of bends, when the composite bends, the red just kind of shines through, sneaks through there, looking so cool. Now, keep in mind, this watch is supposed to represent the Magma series. Is supposed to represent kind of volcano and lava and the formation of planet Earth. That's what they call it, the formation of planet Earth. So you have to think about red, red representing the lava, the black representing the stone, the rocks, and so that's what they're doing with this. So you can see how the red kind of seeping through the composite band there kind of represents the lava, which is pretty neat. It's a pretty nice little touch. And remember, this is this piece can't even say the word, commemorates the anniversary of G-Shock Casio, which was created in 1983. So it's a 35th anniversary, which was released in November 2018. Now, this one was the most expensive of the series. It's the GPR-B1000 was released, the MTG-B1000, and there's also the Frogman, which was released part of the Magma series. Now, this one was the most expensive, which was 125,000 yen, which is roughly approximately, I want to say about $1,250 or $1,200, depending on what you see. There's also a consumption tax you have to factor in, shipping and all that. So this watch definitely was not inexpensive. It was kind of cheap. It was kind of expensive to obtain. Since then, though, this watch is hard to find, and it's maintained its value. If anything, it's gone up in value. So if you have it, I suggest you keep it. All right, show you guys the light on this puppy. It's cool. It got a nice indigo, or I don't know if we call it indigo glow, but the hour markers have that glow on there. Same with the hands, right? And then it's also got a nice light. I'll show it to you. There she is. Oh, just dropped the phone. My little camera there, my trusty camera. There she is. I love how it dims in and out. All right. Now, I wanted to show you guys the watch kind of overview, but I also want to touch on a lot of the details of this watch. Now, you don't see a lot of them just from a glance. So let's kick on this macro, and then you guys can see more details. So before we do that, show you the back screw back on here, or back plate, actually, not a screw back. It's not a screw back. It's got the 35th anniversary stamped on the back, 5544 module, MTGB1000, and then you have some other. You gotta remember that it's multi-band 6 Bluetooth technology, tough movement, and it's got the multi-band 6 and Bluetooth technology, like I said, and that's pretty much it. So the watch, you can see some gold accents inside there on the hour markers. You have the nice red mode indicator on there with the battery. You got the 24-hour marker or hour on the top, and then you have a world time on the bottom there, secondary world time. And you have this little window there for AM and PM. Your date window, yes and no for syncing, on and off. I think that's power reserve. I can't remember. I think that's what that is. Then you got the different countries or different world times around the bezel there, which is absolutely stunning. Very stunning. Now let's switch to macro mode. You guys can check that out. Kind of look at the details. It's the first time doing this, so hopefully let me know if you guys like that. I want to show you some details magnified of the watch, and you guys can see some cool details up front. So let's check that out. Here's the MTG. You can see the beautiful rose gold. Look at the details on the hour markers. Then you have the yes, no for charging right there. There's your date window. Got the gold accents along with the rose gold at every hour marker. The since 1983 on the bottom there. Receive, your battery indicator. Look at that detail. Oh my God. It's gorgeous. And you have the solar panel there. All the checkered lines there are all solar panel. Charges the batteries for you. But here's your beautiful, look at that gorgeous crown. Nice engraving on the crown, guys. Absolutely stunning. Then you have your country, world time markers around the bezel. But let's not stop there. Let's get some more details of this beautiful piece. There's your 35 rose gold brush metal, 35th anniversary. Now let's zoom in some more. Maybe you could see some more details. Well, there you guys have it. The MTGB1000TF Magma Ocean 35th anniversary. Hopefully you enjoyed that review, guys. Trying to do some different stuff with the channel, give you guys more perspective, more details. And with that, hopefully you enjoyed that. Please tell me how you like that review. If the macro zoomed in, if you like that or not. And I'll add that to my channel moving forward. And with that, I'll see you guys very soon. Chicago, Chavo. I'm out of here, guys. Till next time, Merry Christmas. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar, I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar, I'm rocking my G